In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Trello board to PDF. This can be a useful feature when you need to share your project plans, to-do lists, or progress reports with others in a format that's easy to read and can be accessed offline. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. You'll want to begin by opening your Trello board where you have all your lists and cards organized. Look to the top right corner of your Trello screen and locate the rocket ship icon. This icon is your gateway to Trello's power-ups, which are essentially plugins created by third-party developers to enhance Trello's functionality. Click on that rocket ship icon and then choose Add Power-Ups from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Power-Up section, you need to search for a tool called Board Export by Collecti. This particular power-up will help us convert your board into a PDF format. Type in Board Export in the search bar, and when it appears in the list, click the Add button beside it. Now you have successfully added the power-up to your Trello board. Next, you want to return to the main screen of your Trello board. Again, click on the rocket ship icon at the top right to reveal the list of power-ups you've just added. Find Board Export in the list and click on it. You'll need to authorize the power-up to interact with your Trello data, so be sure to follow any prompts to grant permission. With the power-up authorized, you're ready to configure it to suit your needs. Click on it once more in the power-up menu to open its window. Here, you can begin selecting the specific lists from your board that you wish to include in the export. This allows you to tailor the PDF to contain only the most relevant parts of your Trello board. Once you've selected the lists, look for the Export Lists option within the Power-Up window and click on it. At this stage, it's important to choose the PDF as your preferred export format, ensuring that the final document meets your sharing and accessibility needs. After selecting PDF, you'll have the option to specify which fields from the cards should be included in the export. This could be card names, descriptions, due dates, and more, depending on how detailed you want your PDF to be. Finally, with all your options set, click Export. The process will kick off immediately, and in just a few moments, the PDF will begin downloading to your computer. You now have an easily accessible document that reflects the current state of your Trello board. And there you have it. It's really that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and that exporting your Trello boards to PDF will make your project management even more efficient. Thanks for watching.